Alright, so we got the car loaded up, and I just need to tie it down here and we should be good to go. I didn't get much of loading it up because I was driving it and we ran into some issues, but finally got it loaded up. Alrighty, so I'm gonna have to adjust my straps, and part of the reason is because how long the strap is, it's hitting against the wheel. However, the battery's better than a doornail, so guess we're gonna have to re-jump the thing. This is a naturally aspirated inline 4, and this old girl only got 110 horsepower. Like I said, she's absolutely stone dead, and yeah, I'll just show you for a second what I mean. Nothing except that. Thing hasn't been running about 6 months or so because I've been running my a nice rig, I should say. There we go. Hopefully that works. I'm gonna jump up here and shut this hood real quick. This car, to me, well, the reason we're hauling it, number one, because when you air this tire up, it leaks air. Plus, it's time for new tires. And yeah, it's getting 4 new tires. It's also getting a coil pack. That's why it misfires like all get out. And it's pretty bad. I haven't ran this thing in about, like I said, I haven't ran. Like I said, I haven't ran this thing in about 6 months. So I think it's time to get it up and running again. I've had a lot of good memories in this car. It was the car I had ever since I was 16, and I beat the tar out of the thing. I do have to say that. This dent happened because of this is because of a deer hit right here. Which actually is the reason why this grill's sort of loose, which is the only way it pushes back is when you open up the hood. It's also why this headlight doesn't really line up anymore either. But yeah, this dent happened here because of something funny. It's made out of cheap stuff. I do have to say that. This dent here happened because me and my brother were outside talking, and he just randomly leaned his foot up against, has 1 foot on the ground, 1 foot propped against the car, and next thing I know, we were standing there talking, next thing I know, the thing goes and crinkles. This fog light here, this happened because I ran the thing through a culvert. I ditched it in a culvert because I come around a corner and there was a car coming on the other side of the gravel road that I was on, and I ended up ditching it in a culvert, and goofed the fog light up, I do have to say that. And now that I think of it, I've actually had the car for about 4 years or so. I just turned 20 almost a month ago. So, yeah. I've had the thing for over 4 years. Kind of hard to believe it lasted me this long, but we're gonna fix it up and get it back on the road again.